How to turn on or turn off Share Albums activity in Photos main view on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Photos. Now in the Photos app, I'm going to go back to the photo library. And from here, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top. Next, in your Photos profile, we go down and go to the Show in Main View and tap on Share Albums Activity. So tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And that's it. After, you can go back to your photo libraries. In here, if you turn it off, then that share features should now be hidden. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now, if you want to bring it back, you can go to your profile, then scroll down, and then turn on Share Album Activities. So here, it will be available again from the list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.